Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Seacoast House of Cars, we have something very, very special. This is a Mark II GTI 16 valve from Italy. This car was recently imported. Oh, absolutely awesome. 5-speed manual gearbox, 16 valve engine, absolutely brilliant. Went out, filmed a quick video for Bring a Trailer. Wanted to obviously bring you guys along for the ride as well. Take a look at this roof. Absolutely awesome. Interior in spectacular shape. 202,000 kilometers. 5-speed manual, of course. Power windows. Short throw gearbox. I was told by the owner you have to find it just right. And I have not spent nearly enough time in this to get it perfect. It's kind of like riding a bike that you just know, you know exactly how to change gears. This is a similar situation. Once I've started to get it figured out now, once you get it figured out, it's perfectly easy to use. Sounds spectacular, and it's just, they don't make hot hatches like this anymore. You don't have fun, simple, sure you do, but not nearly this simple. I mean, this car doesn't even have airbags. I've loved my time in this car. I absolutely have. I've learned some math trying to figure out kilometers to miles per hour, because obviously this is a European car, everything's in kilometers. Obviously not right-hand drive, but still. The platform is great. So much fun to drive. You know, it's so funny because you look at cars like that, your first gen Mini Coopers, and you're like, wow, that's a small hot hatch, fun. Nah, this thing is much smaller, and man, is it more fun. It is scheduled to get an alignment later this week, but this was the best day I had, and so we wanted to get the video put up as soon as possible. Holy cow, I nailed it! Speed limit 40, my speed was 40. Love it. And to be honest with you, this has turned a ton of heads. The Italian plates probably will do that. Around here, we get a lot of people that put Euro plates on the front of their car. Nobody's put one on the rear, mainly because, you know, this car is registered for US road use, but for the Bring a Trailer stuff, we wanted the Italian plates on. So it's not like this car isn't titled in the US. It is. It's ready to go. But for Bring a Trailer Pictures and for the coolness factor and to show its heritage, to have its original Italian plates is pretty darn cool. And I'll include a link to the Bring a Trailer listing too. We have the brochure, we have a toolkit, we have, this car is so complete. And you look at it, you couldn't tell it has 200,000 kilometers. The interior is perfect. It's a slick top, no sunroof. It's just such a cool car. And being a European spec is just even cooler. Oh. Ineos Grenadier. Pretty cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.